Unisys deadline alert. Securities litigation partner Josh Wilson encourages investors who suffered losses exceeding $100,000 in Unisys to contact him directly to discuss their options. Dateline Faruqi & Faruqi, LLP, a leading national securities law firm, is investigating potential claims against Unisys Corporation, Unisys or the company, NYSE, UIs, and reminds investors of the January 10, 2023 deadline to seek the role of lead plaintiff in a federal securities class action that has been filed against the company. If you suffered losses exceeding $100,000 investing in Unisys stock or options between February 21, 2019 and October 11, 2022 and would like to discuss your legal rights, call Faruqi & Faruqi partner Josh Wilson directly at 877-247-4292 or 212-983-9330, extension 1310. You may also click here for additional information, www.faruqilaw.com/uis. There is no cost or obligation to you. Faruqi & Faruqi is a leading minority and woman-owned national securities law firm with offices in New York, Pennsylvania, California, and Georgia. As detailed below, the lawsuit focuses on whether the company and its executives violated federal securities laws by making false and/or misleading statements and/or failing to disclose that 1. The company's 2022 financial guidance was significantly overstated. 2. Accordingly, once the truth was revealed, it was likely that the company would be required to negatively revise its 2022 financial guidance. 3. In addition to the foregoing, material weaknesses existed in the company's internal control over financial reporting, and 4. As a result of all of the foregoing, the company's public statements were materially false and misleading at all relevant times. On November 7, 2022, post-market, Unisys issued a press release disclosing that the company was lowering its previously stated 2022 financial guidance by a significant margin and that it would be unable to file, without unreasonable effort and expense and within the prescribed time period, its quarterly report on Form 10-Q for the quarter ended September 30, 2022, the Form 10-Q. Specifically, the press release stated that the company's Audit and Finance Committee is conducting an internal investigation regarding certain disclosure controls and procedures matters and that, following the evaluation of the results of the investigation, the company expects that it may determine that there are one or more material weaknesses in its internal control over financial reporting, which may result in a conclusion that the company's disclosure controls and procedures and internal control over financial reporting are not effective. On this news, Unisys' stock price fell $4.33 per share, or 48%, to close at $7.89 per share on November 8, 2022. The court-appointed lead plaintiff is the investor with the largest financial interest in the relief sought by the class, who is adequate and typical of class members, who directs and oversees the litigation on behalf of the putative class. Any member of the putative class may move the court to serve as lead plaintiff through counsel of their choice, or may choose to do nothing and remain an absent class member. Your ability to share in any recovery is not affected by the decision to serve as a lead plaintiff or not. Faruqi & Faruqi, LLP also encourages anyone with information regarding Unisys' conduct to contact the firm, including whistleblowers, former employees, shareholders and others. Attorney advertising. The law firm responsible for this advertisement is Faruqi & Faruqi, LLP, www.faruqilaw.com. Prior results do not guarantee or predict a similar outcome with respect to any future matter. We welcome the opportunity to discuss your particular case. All communications will be treated in a confidential manner. To view the source version of this press release, please visit https://www.newsfilecorp.com/release/144889.